Want to build a website? No problem. Let's go for it. You can build any type of website you want utilizing SuperCool. So let's go for create a yoga studio website for pregnant women. Make the site very engaging and warm. Include a simple booking form. Have edgy and make this page, that's a better way to say it, make the website edgy and funny. There we go. Alrighty, Roo. What have we got there? It sounded very Australian then. Alrighty, Roo. Look at how many steps it produced. So all we said was create a yoga. So I've got peanuts stuck in my throat. Create a yoga studio website for pregnant women. Damn you, raw mixed nuts from Good and Healthier. Create a yoga studio website for pregnant women. Make the site very engaging, warm. Include a simple booking form. See how many steps it executed. Look at all the original images it produced. Very cool, very cool. All of these different steps to eventually, bada bing, bada boom. Let's have a look. I actually haven't clicked into this yet. I want to be as surprised as you. Look at this. Wow. Wow, guys. Namaste, mama. Where stretching your belly is totally the point. Prenatal yoga for every trimester, every body, and every I can't see my toes anymore moment. Made it all funny and engaging, like I said. Safe, supportive, and surprisingly hilarious. Love it. Look at that beautiful background hero image. That is a yoga studio, and that's obviously not a real yoga studio, completely AI generated. But how good does that look? I want to do yoga now. Look at this. Look how well this is put together. We're Bump and Breathe. Yes, we named ourselves after what you do all day. Namaste in bed? Nope, we got ya. Look, we get it. You're growing a whole human, your back hurts. I won't read all the copy, but this is great. Look at this. Beautiful images. Our classes. It's done pricing. I didn't really give any pricing. You could obviously change whatever you want. You can iterate whatever you want just through prompting this. This looks great. Maybe you want to change the pricing. Maybe you want to change the feel, the images, the copy. You can do all of that just through simple prompts. Book this class. Does it have? Oh, well, we skipped a whole part of it, but let's keep. So that clicking that button already takes you to the booking form. The perks of showing up. Look at this beautiful benefit stack, we call it. Fewer waddle complaints. Baby actually sleeps. Maybe. You'll feel human again. Squad goals. Literally. Make friends who understand that why you cried at a dog food commercial. Your pregnancy squad is waiting. Snacks at every session. How cool is this, guys? Obviously, I did a very simple prompt, by the way. Very simple prompt. You could be as elaborate and exact and concise as you want. But if you do simple prompts, also great for idea generation. If you don't really know what elements to put into a website, SuperCool will, as you are seeing, do a really good job. So great for idea generation. Don't worry too much if you don't understand the complete layout of a website. This was literally from a prompt that said, create a yoga studio website for pregnant women. Make the site very engaging, warm, include simple booking form, make the website edgy and funny. You can see there are literally no other prompts, and it came up with a beautiful looking website. This is great. A place for testimonials, excellent. This is mock data, example data. It's not real, obviously. You would have to swap it out with real data. Now, why does it do this? Because it gives you a visual representation. What would you rather have? Empty space or an actual example of how your website's going to look, right? So that's why it does this. It's also, again, great for idea generation. It's done a really cool FAQ section. Can I still do downward dog? Absolutely. Though at some point it will feel more like downward walrus. Ha ha ha. Pregnant women. Lol lol lol. And totally fine. That's actually I said edgy and funny. That's actually pretty funny. Hopefully no one's offended by that. Your instructor will Downward walrus. Oh, that's funny. That's good. You got a system that can actually make you lol. That's funny. I've never done yoga before. Will I survive? Not only will you survive, you'll thrive. That's got me now. That's got me. Our classes are designed for all levels, including I thought yoga was fancy. So, guys, point being, it's done a great FAQ section. All right. I just had to cut a bit out because it automatically recognized a lot of information and I hit my wife's name and it gave the number. So I've deleted a 30-second chunk out of this video here and just use my own name. I'm not going to click into this information because it will literally give some of my personal information away. But there you can see, you can literally book your spot. This won't go through because it's telling you I need to put in all that information, but it is already connected on the back end. How cool. Look at how good this is, guys. Seriously. One prompt, a beautiful looking website. Beautiful looking website. Love the colors. It understands the market. It understands the niche. It's done a great FAQs. It's done the booking page. Absolutely wonderful.